Hi, welcome to Fun Science with Rohini. Today I will tell you little science concepts that are hidden in movies which are not science fiction movies but ordinary movies. These science facts or science concepts are hidden in movies of all languages, and I will take an example of different languages during this video. And I would like to begin with Disney's Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty is a movie where Princess Aurora, a 16-year-old girl, pricks her finger accidentally on a spinning wheel and falls asleep for 100 years. Now, this is something very surprising, and I always thought, how can somebody sleep for 100 years? And as I grew up and started learning science, I came across a disorder called Kleene-Levin syndrome. In Kleene-Levin syndrome, a person has to sleep for 20 to 21 hours for their health. It is a disorder they suffer from. If they don't sleep for 20, they cannot stay awake for more than 3 to 4 hours, and they have to sleep for 20 to 21 hours. And this syndrome, when I learnt about it, I always thought about Sleeping Beauty, and the people who suffer from Kleene-Levin syndrome are also called Sleeping Beauties. This is one of the science concepts that I learned. Another one is from a James Bond movie, The World Is Not Enough. In The World Is Not Enough movie, the girl, the villain or the antagonist, suffers from Stockholm Syndrome. Stockholm Syndrome is wherein the person who's kidnapped falls in love with the kidnapper or the captor. This is called Stockholm Syndrome because it was first observed in Stockholm. A bank was robbed in Stockholm, and the robbers held the bank employees and the people in the bank at that time as hostages. And it took 4 days for the police to release all the hostages and arrest the robbers. But when the robbers were taken to court, the hostages went and pleaded on their behalf and pleaded that the robbers should be acquitted because they started sympathizing with the robbers after 4 days of staying with them. This Stockholm Syndrome can also be seen in a Hindi movie called Highway, in which Alia Bhatt is the protagonist and she falls in love with her captor or the kidnapper. I heard this the term first in the James Bond movie, and then I referred it up. And that is how I came to know about this syndrome. And one more interesting concept which I learnt through movies, science concept which I learnt through movies, was from a very famous Hindi movie called Choti Si Baat. It is in Choti Si Baat movie, Amol Palekar is the protagonist, and he falls in love with a girl. And he's desperately in love with a girl, but he's unable to express his feelings to her. He doesn't even dare talk to her. So he goes to another person for help, and that person diagnoses Amol Palekar as having an unstable personality, self-evasiveness, defective verbal communication, and improper conditioning. And when I first heard this, it was all so much fun and critical diagnosis sort of a thing. But the syndrome which Amol Palekar has been suffering from in that movie actually exists in science. And it is called avoidance disorder, avoidance personality disorder. This means that when you are, they are socially introverted, these people are socially introverted, and each social interaction brings across extreme anxiety and stress. And though they desire social intimacy, they cannot. They are socially inhibited because they try to avoid any situation that causes them anxiety or stress. And in this case, in this movie, Arun or Amol Palekar suffers from avoidance personality disorder, wherein he, though desiring a relationship with the heroine, he cannot go forward and propose to her, and he seeks help of another person. This is one very interesting science concept I learned from Choti Si Baat movie. And then while I was bonding with my students, they suggested that I should watch a television series called Mentalist. And when I was watching Mentalist, I came across a term called Occam's razor. This Occam's razor, I found it very intriguing, and I referred it up again. And Occam's razor is a science concept given by scientists wherein you are suggested to take the most simple explanation possible when you come across two explanations. To explain the same concept, when there are two alternatives, we are always advised to pick the simplest alternative, because the simplest alternative proves mostly correct. That's the concept of Occam's razor. It is called razor because it shaves off all the unnecessary or complicated explanations that are offered by the more complicated theory. And it was discovered by Occam, so therefore it's called as Occam's razor. This I learnt when I was watching Mentalist. And then I also liked Moana movie, and in Moana, Maui is a narcissist. He has lots of self-love, which can be seen in that song, You're Welcome. And he also suffers from ambivalence. Ambivalence is you have mixed feelings towards the same person. You think they're good, they're bad, you want to help them, you don't want to help them, you like them, you don't like them. You keep suffering. We all could be facing this situation at times. Somebody is a friend, but when they call, you don't want to answer the phone right then. You are not in a mood to talk right then. But they are your friend. You like them. But you don't want to talk to them. But you don't want to face them. Not then. Probably not for a few days. That's called ambivalence, wherein you like, you hate, you desire, you don't desire, you wish to do good, you don't wish to do good. It's a mixed feeling. And this ambivalence, ambivalent relationships can be seen in Wong Kar-wai's famous movie Chungking Express, and Wong Kar-wai's in The Mood for Love, and also in the movie The Social Network, which is based on Mark Zuckerberg's life, the Facebook creator. And another concept that has been sneaked into movies is from the movie Usual Suspects. The protagonist in the movie, or the antagonist, the one person in the movie who dominates everything else, appears very meek, but he is Machiavellian in his tactics. And Machiavellianism is being able to socially manipulate the other person to achieve your own selfish ends. To gain what you want, you manipulate the other person socially in a very, very skillful way. Machiavellianism example, Usual Suspects. And after I watched Usual Suspects, I was browsing to see what such a personality could be called as, and I came across the term Machiavellianism. And if we go on stating, there are hundreds of examples. The most popular, again, from South Indian language film is Chandramukhi. She suffers from multiple personality disorder or identity disorder, dissociated identity disorder, Chandramukhi, wherein she assumes to be Ganga sometimes, to be Chandramukhi at times, and things like that. We can actually notice a lot of science concepts sneaked into nice, beautiful, everyday looking normal social movies. And if you look, there is science everywhere around you. Please look and find science and enjoy, because as Mendeleev said, the contentedness, the joy and the bliss that you experience when you enter science is so great that you feverishly wish that everybody would enter the portals of science. Thank you.